How to increase lawn care profits for your business. We're going to jump right into it. This client right here reached out to me about lawn mowing services. I gave him a price for weekly and bi-weekly, and he actually accepted weekly. As you see, the grass is nice and pretty. It has been treated, and he has a couple dogs, so he likes to keep it manicured, which is perfect for us. It keeps us busy. First thing I noticed that he had pine needles. So I said, "Hey, sir, what's going on with these flower beds? I would like to get you some prices for some more pine needles." And he accepted. Gave him sent the estimate over, and he accepted, and we did the job. Anytime you have a mowing client and you don't upsell them on something, I feel like you're losing. And that might sound crazy, but mowing is just your foot in the door. You take that and you capitalize on that, selling more services. That's how you become profitable in this industry. Pine needles, mulch, bush trimming, fertilization, seeding, regular maintenance. This is how you maximize your profit and recoup your return on investment per customer in the lawn care industry. Mowing the lawn every week, that's cool, but we want more. We want to spruce up the property. We want to get them on some type of maintenance schedule. That's the only way, guys. You have to sell more services. Cutting grass is not the only way.